Hello everyone. Welcome to the first English and Personality Development session. I hope आप सब तैयार हैं to begin this journey to improve your spoken English and your personality. चलिए start करते हैं with today's meditation. Breathe, relax and imagine. आज के meditation का objective है to have a relaxed, calm and open mindset for learning. अब अपनी chair में straight बैठिए. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath and relax. ध्यान से सुनिए और फॉलो करिए. अपनी लाइफ के बारे में सोचिए. Think about all the positive things in your life, be it your family or your friends. अपने करियर के बारे में सोचिए और अपने आप को वर्क करते हुए देखिए. And when you see all these things in your mind, how does it make you feel? Take a moment to imagine. अब अपने गोल्स के बारे में सोचिए जो आप अचीव करना चाहते हैं. कोई भी गोल्स हो, एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड, आपकी पर्सनल लाइफ से रिलेटेड या आपकी जॉब से रिलेटेड. थिंक अबाउट व्हाई दिस गोल इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू यू. हाउ विल अचीविंग दिस गोल एड वैल्यू टू योर लाइफ. नाउ आई वॉन्ट यू टू थिंक फॉरवर्ड. You are 6 months in the future now. You are closer to your goal. You are starting to feel the benefits of the efforts that you are putting in to achieve your goal. How does it make you feel to be so close to your goal? Imagine. Now, I want you to continue going forward. It is now 1 year in the future. आप अपने goals को achieve कर चुके हैं. You have achieved success. See yourself. What does it look like? What are you doing? Who are you with? What are people saying to you? And what are you saying to them? How does success feel? एक मोमेंट लीजिए और ये सब सोचिए. आपने क्या स्टेप्स लिए टू अकम्प्लिश योर गोल. एंड व्हेन यू आर रेडी, आई वांट यू टू थिंक अबाउट दोज स्टेप्स व्हाट यू हैव टेकन टू अचीव योर गोल एंड व्हाट विल यू डू नेक्स्ट. थिंक अबाउट इट. नाउ slowly open your eyes with a smile and have that confidence to achieve your goals. Well, I hope हम सब काफी relaxed हैं and now we are ready to start our first English and PD session. आज के सेशन में हम काफी कुछ टॉपिक्स कवर करेंगे, जैसे कि HR question which will be our question of the day, learn new words and the grammar topic that is learn with me. Okay, so let's dive right into it. आज का हमारा पहला टॉपिक है question of the day. And our today's interview question is, tell me something about yourself. Through this question, the interviewer is trying to ask you about yourself. वो आपका introduction पूछ रहे हैं. And this is one of the most important questions in an interview, be it your technical interview or your HR interview. मैं आपको remind कराना चाहती हूँ कुछ important points जो आपको ध्यान रखने हैं while answering this question. Whenever you answer this question, आप हमेशा एक formal greeting से start करेंगे. Then you will thank the interviewer for the opportunity or for being shortlisted for the interview. Give your full name and the place that you belong to, your highest academic and professional qualifications, why have you chosen this field, talk about your work experience, your internships if any, your awards or achievements if you have got any in the past, your career goal, hobbies, positive qualities related to the job that you are applying for. And in the end, you will properly and formally end your introduction. That is how you frame a perfect introduction for a job interview. Let's see the sample introduction. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. I am Purva Rathore from the pink city of Rajasthan, that is Jaipur. I completed my graduation from XYZ College and currently I am pursuing my diploma in network administration from JetKing Infotrain Limited. I chose this field because I've always been interested in IT and my topics of interest are Linux and CCNA. My short-term career goal is to be a desktop support engineer and my hobbies are to play cricket and listen to music. I can assure you that I will be a perfect addition to your company and I will add value to it. That is all. That is how you frame a perfect introduction, and now I hope all of you can frame perfect introductions for every interview. आज का हमारा अगला टॉपिक है लर्न न्यू वर्ड्स, दैट इज योर वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स। किसी भी लैंग्वेज को अच्छे से बोलने के लिए इट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट वी नो द राइट वर्ड एंड वेयर टू यूज दैट वर्ड। दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू हैव अ गुड वोकैबुलरी। आप सबकी वोकैबुलरी को इंक्रीज करने के लिए आई विल प्रेजेंट अ फ्यू वर्ड्स। Focus on the correct pronunciation and listen to the word carefully and repeat after me. The first word for today is energetic. Energetic. The meaning of the word is full of energy. Let us see an example. Priya is very energetic throughout the day. Our next word is keen. Keen. Having or showing eagerness or enthusiasm. The Hindi meaning is utsuk. Let us now see the example. She is very keen on knowing about the latest technologies. Let's move to the next word, that is ambitious. Having or showing a strong desire and determination to succeed. Mahatvakanshi. Let us see the example. The company was founded by two ambitious young men. The next word is observant. Observant. Quick to notice or perceive things. Tez nazar. Let us see the example. By being observant, you can learn in detail about everything. Let's move to the next word, that is result oriented. Result oriented. Someone who is focused on the final outcome. Someone who is focused on the final outcome. Let us now see the example. The entire planning of the project is to be result oriented. Well, that is all for today's vocabulary words. I hope you have noticed how we used each word to frame a sentence and you have clearly understood the meaning of these words. Now it is your turn to use these words as much as you can. चलिए अब कुछ ग्रामर सीख लेते हैं। आज का हमारा ग्रामर टॉपिक है प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस। द सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस इज व्हेन you use a verb to tell about things that are happening continuously in the present, like every day, every week or every month. आपकी रोज की रूटीन को जब आप डिस्क्राइब करते हैं या कोई भी फैक्ट स्टेट करते हैं तब आप प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस यूज करते हैं। वी यूज द प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस फॉर एनीथिंग दैट इज हैपनिंग ऑफन और इज फैक्चुअल। लेट अस सी सम एग्जांपल्स। आई गो टू स्कूल एवरी डे। शी अंडरस्टैंड्स इंग्लिश। इन दोनों सेंटेंस में हम प्रेजेंट की बात कर रहे हैं एंड दीज थिंग्स आर समथिंग दैट इज आइदर हैपनिंग एवरी डे और इज अ फैक्ट। चलिए अब हम देखते हैं कि हम प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस को कब कब यूज कर सकते हैं। द फर्स्ट यूसेज इज जब आप अपनी हैबिट्स, टाइम टेबल या कोई भी रिपीटेड एक्शन या इवेंट को डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हो। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शी वेक्स अप एट 6 o'clock every day. The second usage is when you are talking about general truth. For example, the sun rises in the east. The third usage is when you are giving instructions or directions. For example, do not open this door. Go away. Come inside. Next usage is when you talk about something that is fixed in the future, जो पहले से decided है. For example, the bus leaves at 8 a.m. every morning. So this is something that has been decided already. Great. Well done, learners. With this, we come to an end of our first English and PD session. इस सेशन में हमने जो टॉपिक्स कवर करे वो हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे. द क्वेश्चन वाज टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ, योर वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स, grammar topic that is present simple tense. I hope all of you have learned and enjoyed this session at the same time. I will see you in our next session with more interesting topics. Thank you so much for joining.